Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unarchive conversations on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal additional options that aren't immediately visible on your main chat screen. After tapping the menu, you'll see several options appear. Look for the one labeled Archive and tap on it. This is where Messenger stores all the conversations you've previously archived, keeping them out of your main inbox but still accessible whenever you need them. It's a helpful feature for managing conversations you don't want to delete but prefer to keep organized and out of sight. Once you tap on Archive, you'll be taken to a new screen displaying all your archived conversations. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the specific conversation you want to bring back to your main inbox. You might have several conversations here depending on how often you use the archive feature, so look carefully for the one you're searching for. When you find the conversation you want to unarchive, press and hold on it. This action will trigger a menu to appear with various options related to that specific conversation. Holding down on the conversation is the key to accessing these management features quickly. From the menu that pops up, look for and tap on the Unarchive option. This will immediately move the conversation back to your main inbox where it originally was. The conversation will now appear alongside your other active chats, making it easy to continue your discussion or review previous messages without having to navigate back to the archive section. And that's it! Your conversation has been successfully restored to your main inbox, and you can now interact with it just like any other active chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.